Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up your Linksys RE7000 Wi-Fi range extender in just a few simple steps. Plug your Linksys RE7000 extender into a power outlet close to your router. Wait for the light on the extender to turn solid green, indicating it's ready. On your device, connect to the extender's Wi-Fi network named Linksys Extender Setup. Open a web browser and go to http://extender.linksys.com. Log into your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account or create a new one if you don't have one. Select your home Wi-Fi network that you want to extend. Enter your Wi-Fi password and confirm the settings. Wait for the extender to connect to your Wi-Fi. Once it shows a solid green light, you're all set. Unplug the extender and place it in the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Reconnect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network and enjoy improved signal strength. That's it. You've successfully set up your Linksys RE7000. Enjoy your extended Wi-Fi coverage. For more tech tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe.